23:45 hours Bangladesh Standard Time, that is 17:45 hours Universal Time Coordinate. Hello listeners, this is the external service of Bangladesh Betar broadcasting on shortwave 22.09 meter band corresponding to 13580 kilohertz for the listeners of Europe. Today's transmission of overseas broadcast brings for you, first of all, a special program on the month of morning. Then we have news and news commentary, Voice of Islam, a patriotic song, a weekly sports review, a piece of film song, instrumental music, and finally, a session of English songs. But first, the best wishes to you, all from your presenter Khalid Ashraf and Intisar Ahmed. Listeners, over to the news desk. Now time for the national and international news, followed by news commentary as received from the Central News Organization of Bangladesh Betar.
Assalamu alaikum. This is External Service of Bangladesh Qatar. The news read by Mahanashita. First, the headlines. The Prime Minister of Bangladesh directs the authorities concerned to take a master plan to conduct survey and research on maritime resources in the vast areas acquired from Myanmar and India in the Bay of Bengal. Sheikh Hasina put emphasis on the united effort of the Muslim Ummah on the backdrop of ongoing crisis in Palestine. The Bengali nation will recall on Thursday with a heavy heart the 10th anniversary of the savage August 21st grenade attack with a renewed call for expediting the trials of the preparators of the carnage. Bangladesh government takes initiative to amend the existing public examination laws with a provision of harsher punishment for question, leaks says the education minister. The trial of Syed Mohammad Kausar for crimes against humanity during War of Liberation concludes at the ICJ verdict any day. At least 32 people killed in a massive landslide in Japan's Hiroshima prefecture. Now the details.